Oh no, it's happening again. Oh my goodness. You are disconnected from the cycles in your life, right? You are not aligned up, and this feels like very wobbly and unsupported, and like there's no knowing of what's happening next. Cycles in life happen all around us, from earth cycles, spring, summer, winter, fall, to moon cycles. And that brings us to today's card, which is the Moon Miracles card. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that energy. Okay. And this card is going to show up when you are ignoring cycles, when you have those senses around you. It's telling you to step into your intuition, because intuition is what brings magic, and magic is what brings miracles. So cycles help support you to release, to embrace, to give, to absorb, and shifting from just going through um, life to aligning with the cycles gives you the energy to know how to create this balance in your life. And when we have that balance, more miracles are going to show up. This is a water card for sure. It shows us our emotions. And if our emotions are imbalanced, we overreact. We say things we don't mean. We are taken out of context. And so miracles um, are aligned for us. And what we want to know is to step into the magic of the moon cycle. It is so powerful for us, and it can help us release those emotions and embrace more miracles in our life, because they are everywhere, waiting for you to see, sense, and feel them. So ask yourself right now, where can I align in a cycle? Take a week. Are you hearing this on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? It has a different energy for you. Okay? What is the energy of that day that you're listening to this in, and how can you align with it for your highest good? You don't need more effort. It's just about alignment. The description below will tell you more about moon miracles, and there'll be a link there for more information and insights on how the Oracle of the Lake deck helps you to align with those miracles for greater peace, harmony, and joy in your life. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next card.